Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to save process monitor logs step by step. Saving your logs allows you to review captured events later, compare system activity over time, or share the data with someone helping you troubleshoot a problem. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer and capture the system activity you want to record. Once you've finished reproducing the issue or monitoring the events, click the Capture button on the toolbar to stop collecting new data. Stopping the capture ensures your log contains only the events you want to save. Next, if your log contains too many events, apply filters to display only the information that's relevant. This makes the saved log easier to review and reduces unnecessary data. Now, click the File menu and choose Save. A Save dialog will appear, allowing you to select the type of data you want to export. You can save all captured events or only the filtered events, depending on what you need for your analysis. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store the log, enter a descriptive file name, and click Save. Wait a few moments while Process Monitor writes the log to disk. Larger captures may take a little longer to save. After the process is complete, open the saved file later in Process Monitor whenever you need to review the captured activity or share it with a colleague or technical support for further troubleshooting. And that's it. You now know how to save Process Monitor logs and keep a record of important system activity for future analysis. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.